Okay, now I checked that this surface was flat with no blobs, and used just a sanding block. Make sure there was no blobs sticking out. So this will be my flat reference for making the rudder. Then I made a piece of leftover whatever, and I calculated, because I want to use these eye bolts as one of the Lynn's plans says. Sounds like super easy. Just the gap is not exactly as per this plan because it's a different setup and whatever. So I've used these two. Plus I've confirmed with Lynn that we need at least a 1mm ply between the metal and Sitka spruce. Then our main beam here is Sitka spruce. So what we need is this width plus 2 times 1mm, which gives us just about 22mm, which is what I planed this piece of wood to. Made sure it was 90 degree. Made sure that this was 90 degree, which it is perfect, and that will be used for my my two main spar grade, and then yeah, and that's it. So I'll put a couple of offset clamps to clamp this straight, and I'll carry on from this side. I've pre-drilled those for some screws. I've centered it on the plan, and then I'm gonna, it has been straightened, but I'll straighten it again. I only have 2 screws. I'll put a straight edge here, make sure this is straight also. Then I'll pre-drill all those in the base and drill it. I've got my straight edge there. Of course, I've stayed shy of the ends. I can move the straight edge. Yeah, so after playing around with cutting different angles and whatever, just mark them up and cut them by hand on the bandsaw, and then sand with the belt sander. I'm playing for nothing with these guys. Okay, I've also printed these from the original drawing to full size, just to see what that shape was, that small curvature there. These are the main fin post and the rudder post. Seems like I was overdoing this a bit, because the what is going to be cut is minimal at best, which is just what we see here. Seems like I'm just going to mark it, and I'll leave it to be planed after after everything's been glued up, because now I plan on putting some center lines here and some center line on the lamination, and then propping the lamination so it centers with this thing, so then I could clamp it together.